Warm welcome. This is the 19th of April 2025. This is still a full day, despite of what I said yesterday. I didn't know, did I get it right yesterday? But this is a full day still of the reception in between Mars and the Sun herself, both in fire signs. Mars is in the sign of Leo, while the Sun is in the sign of Aries. Mars rules Aries, the Sun rules Leo. This is called a mutual reception, and this is something like a strong conjunction. So this means that inspired actions, fire signs with Mars in Leo that are heartful, that are connected to the energies of your own heart, of the rhythm of the heart. The heart is actually rhythm, and everything is rhythm in life. Might lead you, if you take the right decisions for anything that you want to achieve, to really good promising results. This will last until this evening, 10 o'clock. And what happens then? At 10 o'clock in the evening, the Sun shifts over to the sign of Taurus. And then we have the combination of a earthbound moon. The moon is in Capricorn right now, and an earthbound Sun again, because Taurus is an earth sign, which is again a harmonical energy, but we're coming over from the very moving times into more gravitational boundness, to put it that way. Use this day for inspiration, for ideas, for covering up whatever you want to do from a heartful perspective, and then go over in the evening to some kind of blessed relief. This would be a good strategy to handle this day. At the same time, we have the closeness, it's not a conjunction yet, but it's the closeness of Venus and Saturn. Maybe we should even have a look at the sheet of paper. Both in the sign of Pisces, both coming along very well, and also Mercury being pretty tight and close still to the planet of Neptune will give deep insights into what we are longing for to know about things, because still, of course, Jupiter is in the sign of Gemini, producing any kind of information that has to be, of course, taken as something that is out there yet, but we can't make a sense of it still, because Gemini is not exactly the sign of making sense of things. Making sense of things can be done in the sign of Sagittarius, and the Jupiter planet is far away from Sagittarius right now. However, the following days you might see what is approaching. This is the chart out for the Sun on the first degree of Taurus, and what is approaching is, as soon as the Sun really enters Taurus, she is of course making the square position to Mars right away, and then a little later the square position to Pluto right away. This is a T-square in between fixed signs, and not only that, also the moon will shift over here to the sign of Aquarius and make the big Pluto bell ring. This is what we are looking at. So fasten your seatbelts for the coming week, but now it's a day of inspirational projection. Thank you very much for listening to me. This is Markus Termin speaking at the 19th of April 2025. In case you like to get in contact, use this mail address, mind the DE at the end, to get in contact with the genius German astrologer and have your chart read personally on Skype, recorded professionally, and anything like that. See you tomorrow.